The AAA Mobile App is an all-in-one tool for travel and roadside assistance. It provides a comprehensive range of services and benefits directly from your mobile device. For roadside assistance, you can request help for breakdowns, flat tires, or lockouts. The app also allows you to find AAA-approved auto repair facilities in your vicinity. When planning travel, use the app to find and book hotels. While on the road, the gas feature helps you locate the cheapest fuel prices or nearby EV charging stations along your route. The app also provides access to member-exclusive discounts at select restaurants and local attractions. You can also use the app to manage all aspects of your membership, such as adding associate members, upgrading your plan, or setting up auto renewal. Plus, you can access and manage your insurance policies. These features make it easy to maximize your membership benefits. Download the AAA mobile app to access these tools from your phone.